people. You understand? He don't want, Mark Golden don't want anyone to challenge him for leadership of the PNP. And we know that Damion Crawford was getting bashed from last year, September, after the election was run. He wanted to challenge Mark Golden for the seat, and he was not allowed to. So there's some dictatorship going on with Mark Golden. And Damion Crawford, as a young man, he just needs to make the right decision and, come on.
Mr. Kerry, good morning. Good morning.
I don't know why the PNP them so angry this morning.
Kerry, sorry to interrupt, but good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to talk. I'm going to mute my mic for a few minutes.
One little new recruit, I'm recruit to the thing, And she texted me this morning and asked me if Damion Crawford turned Labour right. I said, what you talk about? So I have a company have to come find out what I go on. Then me talk about it. Are we really go on, Kerry?
She got to take a call, she'll come back. But
hold on, let me just explain what's going on. Yesterday, it was JLP team that stand up for Damion Crawford in Parliament. PNP wanted to kick him off the pack. What they call it, the board, the pack, whatever. And it was the JLP saying, no, leave him there. Dr. Dawes, who's right now under investigation for pack. They want to promote him. You see how PNP wicked and steer? They want to give Dr. Dawes promotion or put him on board when he pack, when he's now under investigation for what's going on at UWI, and they want to take off Damion Crawford. PNP is not with Damion Crawford right now because he wants to challenge Mark Golden for leadership of the party. And Mark Golden is behaving as if the PNP party belonged to him. And then you have some people, some clowns running behind him and supporting him with that. So we're calling for Damion Crawford to make the right decision and just cross over.
I've been asking the question, what happened to him from election? Him silent.
Him silent because he know how they have been treating him. And he know about the dictatorship that is going on in the PNP party with Mark Golden. Mark Golden, if you get deported, people listen out for the flyer and the information. There will be a protest to have Mark Golden get deported. Give it back with Jamaican passport. He got at the age of 43 and live up and go on back to England with him retirement.
Circle. Because he's an elitist.
One by one, them joining the JLP.
Host, take the floor. I'm going to be away for a few minutes.
All right. One by one, them joining the JLP. Oh, Damion to stay over. No, man, when I said that, we are welcome there. I always read Damion from before. Me get bash for and big up Damion as a Labour, right? You see me? But the only wrong thing we can say Damion done was the whole voting. In crossover, he's forgotten. Oh, this was the JLP side. The JLP yesterday, I didn't
we never know say I one of the team. You remember the team, so I just start following,
Oh, you never know a lie.
No, man, we never know, man. We just start following, man.
Yeah, be said Bean. Becca, say Becca. What? But they are ready from before election, man. And just ease off in our day because everybody to turn investigator, turn lawyer, turn judge and juror. So everyone have to talk, the argument. Mr. Pang, big up yourself, Mr. Pang.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Becca. How are you?
Morning.
Yeah, the reason why I said Damion would stay the thing is, he's a PNP, and if he should cross the floor, right, it's a possibility whenever an election is called again, he's going to win.
You might have break up really bad though. Me alone hear it or everybody else hear it?
You're breaking up. Who's that? Becca?
Yeah,
Becca, you're breaking up. You want to come out and come back in or check your
Oh,
internet?
I'm sorry.
So, guys, the question is, should Damion Crawford cross the floor?
All right.
Go ahead, Becca.
Right. You hear me good now?
Come out and come back in. Maybe it's not picking up.
Hearing me now? All right.
Yeah, go
Please
ahead.
get me down and
Go ahead.
let me go back in.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. Go
Better
ahead.
now.
Okay, you're hearing me now?
Yes.
Yes, we are. Go ahead.
Okay, all right.
ahead,
The
Becca.
reason why I said that Damion should
Repeat, 'cause we
stay
didn't
over
hear you
PNP.
properly.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, the reason why I
I
said
saying to
Damion
talk
should-
over what you were saying because you was breaking up at first. So restart everything.
Yeah, sure, no problem. You hearing me now?
Yes, loud and clear.
All right. The reason why I said Damion should stay over the PNP is that it is a possibility, right? All right. If he should cross the floor and yes, he's accepted, it is a possibility that he is going to win again. And then now, within few months, he's going to cross over the floor back to PNP with the crowd. We don't want that. We don't love that.
No. That don't make sense, my friend.
Well, make sure hold on the Sheldon, no interruption. We're gonna make them finish land them plane, and then after we give the pointers. You know, we don't want to enter no argument. But that's
Anisha, go tell me if she over there calling my name then. Janet Lee Garner Ingram. You see how she busy on TikTok? Go ahead, Becca, finish.
So that's your strong point, Becca?
Becca, you're struggling, man. Put your mic on the phone. No, we're not hearing you at all. Come on, talk up,
You're
Becca.
not hearing?
No, we're hearing
You
you
know-
now. Talk up.
Okay. We don't want when them cross the floor and them win them seat, them go back, go cross the floor over to PNP with the Labour right crowd. Can Labour right go vote for him? It's impossible that if him cross and get through, Labour right go vote for him win. And then you know cross over with the Labour right crowd.
I don't know if I
No,
agree
that's
with
it.
that.
Let
Let me
me-
hold on,
let me
Sheldon.
ask
Let me
you.
say this quickly, Sheldon. Remember, we had Lawrence Rowe who crossed over and he did great. We had
Yes.
Craig Oates,
Mhm.
and there are a few other who crossed over and it did do us some good. You understand?
Well,
So I don't know if I
well,
totally.
yeah, the important thing you're missing.
Yeah.
Damion Crawford already win him seat. Damion Crawford is a sitting MP. So when you
Yes.
say him a go cross over, win and then cross over back, him already win him seat already. So
No,
I'm
but
going
that
to need to
mean,
play that
no.
game there.
The next election, remember Labour rights now are going to vote for him. A lot of Labour rights in his country.
But if him win the seat with an a Labour right ticket next election, if him cross over, it's seat are going to be for Labour rights. If he want to cross over, kick him out of the seat and put somebody else in it.
Yeah, not true him crossover, and we're not call him a sellout, meaning it's a labor right, I'm gonna sell out and go by this. That no, I don't think so. No.
If cross over, that's a good thing for your party.
He's not comfortable where he is. Because me, I watch everything what go on, only because we can get to
Okay,
drive.
guys, we have to respect her views. Her views is that she don't think. Persons in the comment, what you guys think? You guys think Damion should cross the floor? Because it was JLP who stand up for him yesterday in Parliament.
This is
What you guys
not a
think?
celebrity,
Type in the
this is
comments.
politics.
Did
And
he just
politics-
cross over? He's wearing a green tie in this picture, guys. Damion Crawford is wearing a green tie. Big laugh up with Andrew Holness. And right now the PMP is running, Mark Golden is running a dictatorship with the PMP party. So type in the comments, take part in it. Should he cross over?
But because me there work, me can't really get to join a live. I only can listen, put in my earbuds and listen, but I mean, I just let me worry about.
Okay, we understand. We understand, Becca. We understand where you're coming from, man.
Yeah.
But I think he should cross over, and it will be a nice little excitement in the upcoming election. Just, just go over and
Coming
sit with them
in-
on the side.
coming
What
in from the cold.
Education minister, you know.
Because I think it's unfair that right now Mark Golden don't want anyone to challenge him for leadership of the PNP party. They canceled their conference after the election, and he put himself back as the leader without anyone voting for him. It wasn't done properly. You understand? And he know exactly what is going on. See, dear man Crawford, a green teeth in world 32. How much teeth we have? In his green
No.
tie.
Why you say no, Keisha? Come tell me why you say no.
So this is going to be very interesting.
No, I do have.
So we don't need them.
I feel so too, Kavan.
We need all of them to cross over. We need as much people to realize that the PNP is a wicked set of people. They don't like woman. PNP Selvera unalive his wife. And we need as much of you guys to make the right decision and choose Jamaica. So if Damion Crawford want to step out and say, people choose Jamaica, I welcome him over. Those are my views. But
you cannot exist without the opposite side, because other kind of politics that we have, we have the leading and we have the opposing. But we do things Damion will work better on the
Morning, everyone.
than the opposing. We have a lot of use.
What Keisha mean by he needs to join the resistance movement?
Good morning, everyone. Morning.
good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, man. I gotta say this. Coming in from the cold, Damion need to cross the floor. Too much disrespect from Mark Golden and him friend them. Come, Damion, come. Me help you pack your suitcase. Come, cross, come.
Yeah, of course. I am the one. That was a big disrespect. Because Dr. Dawes is now under investigation. Listen, Dr. Dawes is now under investigation with UWI. Why would they want to give him any promotion to remove Crawford and put him
you don't
on the board
understand.
with TAC? It does just make sense.
Let me explain to you.
They should be removing and asking, suspending Dr. Dawes right now and Dennis Gardner for their involvement.
Join sad face for no. Happy face for yes, sad face for no.
Let me explain to you, Kerry. So where Dr. Dawes concerned, members are involved in a Melissa murder, unalive, right? So them all give him something now to shut him up. You not play the card. You not play the card and read the card properly. They want to get rid of Damion.
Right, they say the Psalms. One, everything are gonna explode. With Damion cross the floor, everything explode.
Yeah, like how Lawrence Road told us all the business and stuff like that. We want to know what's going on. I know him. I go chat all the business where PNP was up to.
And Damion I go hold it like a dream now, really chat. I hold like a dream, I like a certain and hold the side.
Oh God. The PNP ship is sinking, people. Sinking like the Titanic. More to come. It's going to be a very interesting year.
Come on, happy face for Damion, John.
When me,
That face for no. Done already.
Kerry, morning.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
Remember, said Damion did they go toe to toe with Peter Bunting?
Yeah.
You know, Peter Bunting like when nobody got toe to toe with him,
Oh.
Happy face for Damion join.
Parliament.
For Damion join the Labour, right? And
So,
sad face did not join.
So from there, so them I have him up, And
Oh,
need certain questions. Go ahead.
Go ahead, finish. Sorry for cutting you short. Go ahead.
So yeah, man. So they were in part. The PAC meeting that they attend to. That they attend on Friday. I think a Friday or before Parliament. A couple weeks ago, Him and Damion on a Friday though, him and Damion catch up. You don't say catch up, but they had. Damion wants to ask the permanent secretary question. He must stop. He must answer for Damion. And Damion I said, no, allow me to talk. Remember Peter Bunting, no one nobody in a PNP talk to him,
All right,
But
so now there's a divide between the 28 of them. And there's a divide between the 28 of them going on right now. And I know that they're fighting against Damion Crawford. And it was shown in Parliament yesterday. The 35, team, the JLP team stand up for him yesterday in Parliament. So
them always a stand up for him, but he can't stand up for it.
This is him.
He needs to stand up for it too. He
Them all are. I must say, listen, I soon coming on. I soon come.
Oh, who is this?
But listen, none of we not surprised. Any true laborite cannot be surprised about what I mean. Because we did expect the dog named dog over there.
Host, hold on a second, guys. Host, put back the other picture. Put back the other picture with him and Andrew, host. I like that picture better.
Yeah, man, this is the seller.
Put that back. Yeah.
This is the seller.
That's the seller right there.
JLPNP all the way. Why them always a come over with live and disturb we?
Guys, no, leave them, man. Leave them, man. We want people to come over, you know. We can't sit and talk among ourselves. We want people to say, you know what? We see that the PNP party is wicked and we are now choosing Jamaica people. Understand?
Exactly.
Because we all see what they're going in there. So
all right, people, me go on our.
All right, thank you, Mario.
All right. Safe travel for the
Man. Take care.
You guys can't block them. You need them to listen and know what's going on and how evil the PNP party is so they can choose Jamaica, right? We can't sit and talk amongst ourselves. But the topic this morning, the hot topic after watching Parliament yesterday, the PNP pushing Damion Crawford out, and it was the JLP who stand up for Damion Crawford yesterday in Parliament. Should Damion Crawford, hold on, let me finish, please. Should Damion Crawford cross the floor, people? This is going to be very interesting, people. There's a divide and there's a dictatorship going on in the PNP party with Mark Golden. He's acting like the PNP party belongs to him. Should Mark Golden be deported? Should we go out there and protest for Mark Golden to be deported? Go do his retirement in England, people. Talk to me, people, what you guys think. Go ahead, take the floor, guys.
Yeah, but Kerry, if member, you know, the Peter Bunting do not like nobody who say one PNP. I cheer them over there to one PNP, you know. Damion Crawford is one, Philip Pollard is one, and Julian is one. Them three man they say one PNP. The reason they not kick out them two there yet are because them know say them two there that's 100, they hit us 100. So then they squeal like a rat.
Juliet now miss him. Okay.
Eh?
Juliet's position now gonna miss him.
Right? If them trouble, especially Philip Powell. Philip Powell squeal like a girl. So them not gonna really mess with them man there.
Hey, but like how the PNP them at this zone, man, not show him out. No problem, you know. We take him. Not a problem.
Yeah, man, we take him, man. Me and Sheldon, we pack all him bag and drive go for him. We take him.
The only PNP with less dirt on the name over there.
Yeah, man.
Who that you not talk about?
Eh? No, the man we talk about, man. The PNP, the mature man, but we take him up.
Yes,
we clean him up.
You have to understand my standpoint, you know. You see, anything to tear down PNP to the ground, me support that. And if Damion Crawford left over there, that's a big slap at dead end, because Damion Crawford is the only man over there who can reach a certain people. Because I mean, even them used to say they like Damion Crawford.
Yeah, truth. But to what Becca say, no, Becca, hold on there. But to what Becca say, no, Becca, just pre say when Damion left, you know, enough people Damion are going to left with him.
Yeah, people, I like him too, you know, but I just that me worry about.
No, we have a bigger, we stand a bigger chance to gain more people that's because I'm winning PNP seat. So
yes,
the PNP, them man left with him.
Them when they sit down with him, they might come right over with him because they rate him that much.
Yeah. Oh my God.
But I think that be a better thing, man. It's for the better. It's for the best. I mean, I feel them outside tear down, you know. So we're not gonna help them mash it down. We're gonna take for them board and make them know so we can use for them instrument be like nice also that just them have the management part for them side.
Right.
So that's true them also manage, you know?
Yeah.
So there's about him being the traitor for coming in and adapt the people and go back over. That would never happen because we not either. Labor right them don't follow people like we are follow fans. As I mentioned, he's not a celebrity, this is politics. So in a celebrity level, like all the money with a red cartel, no matter what him do, with them still No, not with politics. You have to talk facts. You have to do your work, or we will drop you.
Right, to hold the crowd. And he's a very good person. Because from the first time he entered politics and then he went to Portland and him losing seat, people did still rate him, regardless.
He have a rating to the people, man. Even to the Labour right them. As you can see, from the Labour right them a beat bench in the Parliament and I say no. They would rather work with Damion.
Yes, than Mark Golding.
Than that thing that Daz them a try put in and that man name too. The man that
Daz figure. Them feel lock up Daz. At prison him figure.
Becca, may I give you 1.8 million to get you rid of that out of Portmore. Me no want to see him in a Portmore. I'm tired to see him. You know, so I'm going to show you something. Jable. I'm going to show you something. Yesterday, them have a meeting over Portmore Heart Academy. And you can't believe it. If you have 10 people over there, you have enough.
Really?
What an embarrassment.
And the whole of Labour right them, we decide to say, because of something benefit to community. We decide to we're not going nowhere. Everybody just send out the circular to them one another. I say, yo, we're not going nowhere. Everybody turn on the yard.
Judge.
I film set up people from Waterford alone, full auditorium, and I TV 10 of them good.
You must be ashamed they now.
More people are going to send a strong message to him because guess what? Him say a Waterford put him in a power, you know. So if a Waterford put him in a power, make sure you work with Waterford alone.
Sir, my mom.
What do you mean a Waterford alone put him in a power? What to first up areas them?
Becca, mine Big Rab never lose. Sir, a Waterford a two division Big Rab lose, you know. He lose a Waterford and he lose a Portsmouth.
That's what kind of fish sir?
Them two division they lose, you know.
You have a number can call them and find it.
And what the PMP them do, them flood Waterford with people from outer Margolin constituency.
Yeah, and that them always do. Imported crowd. That them do, man.
So what go on with the Oceania?
Yeah, guys. So this is gonna be very interesting with what is going on. Yeah, but yeah. So if you guys didn't watch Parliament yesterday, you can go back and rewatch it for yourself. The PMP was actually throwing Damion Crawford aside yesterday. You know, they actually was not supporting him, and they wanted to put Dr. Dawes, up front. Dr. Dawes, who is under investigation. I don't understand that. So it's showing that PMP.
Why they want to put in Dawes?
That they're showing that PMP support corruption.
Kerry,
Dr. Dawes, hold on a second, please. Dr. Dawes is involved, in a very big investigation right now going on the UWI for taxpayer money, exemption of tax. So, he should be stepping aside. So what's going on with the PMP?
So you're then corrupt and man.
Let me play the video happened yesterday.
Okay.
With reference to the resolution approved by October 21, 2025, appointed a public administration and appropriations committee that the name Damion Crawford be removed from the membership of the committee and that the name Alfred Dawes be substituted thereof.
No, that is the JLP saying no.
Yeah.
Madam Speaker, I further beg to give notice.
Hey! We want
Hey, and the JLP go and say no? Blood, no.
we want Damion. Yes, say them rate him too. Jaja.
I tell him say they want him to come cross. That them I tell him say, understand?
Yeah.
Yes, because Madam Speaker did say, want him for what?
You see it? You never know that. I take them and take him understand.
Yes, he said, want him for what?
Jesus, Father.
Yeah, man, big moment.
I remember a long time.
Big moment for me. Come on, me rate Damion and Damion for come.
Yeah. Well, I like him and a lot of people like him as well.
And we don't treat him good over there, you know. In our party, you know.
Yeah, what? You treat him nice, man. Look, I said the only dirt Damion have for him name and look a goat give back sitting and that does it. The goat, you know, is a mess. Look a goat in
Anisha say, absolutely 100% we don't have any member of parliament spot for Damion. Anisha.
Hey, but what do you want to politics in that boy?
If a man coming in seat, I mean, and a member of parliament with him, now in one constituency already. But yes, we have a minister position for him at the moment. You get me? But we're not going to treat him like a scrub.
No.
I would not put him on a backbench neither.
No.
No, I'm putting him on a backbench.
We are giving one decent seat. We are find a seat, B.
We are put him on beside Nesta Morgan. Right beside Nesta Morgan.
We are put him in a position when he can have a chance to tear down PMP. So we are finding a position to put him in a when he can use a position there to tear down PMP.
Ah, see, if not get him vote, then you know, okay. Me my one, no. If I have mine, him have enough. Motivation.
Constituency will not change.
Morning,
That's a
boss.
PNP.
We already have a Warmington and the JLP team already, so you know what I say? Amen.
Yeah, next Warmington. It come like a next Warmington still, you know.
Yeah.
But Warmington want to retire, so I go to look at the replacement team already.
Good night.
But one thing I say, based on how JLP talk about PMP, you know, it seems like a PMP in the power sometimes. Because
yeah,
JLP give PMP so much attention at daytime, I say, it's not necessary. I don't know.
No. We're enjoying. Yes, last year leading up to election, it was a battle between we and them. So we are enjoying ourselves now. We can laugh off at them and talk about them, or them and disrespect themselves and all type of things. So we just enjoy the moment. You know, have your popcorn and your soda already.
Who take down Miller? Oh, Miller gone. Miller, who take down Miller?
I know.
Miller come down.
Maybe I him come down.
You know, depend on
As
the
the
live.
background is so noisy.
You know, depend on the live. Yeah, man.
We'll put Damion to run against Wavel Hines.
And take over my constituency.
Yeah, man. Damion a bigger contender for Hines, man. Hines a soft soap.
But
You can't compete naturally.
So why not give up? A long time Hines a try.
Bigger contender for Hines, man. Hines a soft soap.
You must think of cricket this.
Hines a nobody.
You must think of cricket. Murder.
Okay.
You know, Sam, I gotta tell you this. You see, Wavel Hines, I remember when they at Bridgeport High School, about year 4 last, and we did have past student week, and him come talk to the youth them about cricket. You know, the reason why Wavel going to politics is because his mother and his father, you know.
Oh.
Him talk to him mouth, say his mother is a strong PMP, and his father at that time in politics.
Okay.
That's why I'm in a politics. We really like politics. Because the mother, she was one of the. She was one of the. We call it now. She was one of the delegates them top delegates them.
Oh. Okay.
Him talk it. He one time big grab a run joke with him and say, boy, you need to cross the floor now. And the man say, no man, you must be mad, man. The mother got begs with him for life.
Okay. So them are die-hearted PNP.
Yeah.
No him. Parents. No.
Because they come from a humble background in a Portmore now. Humble background in a Portmore. And the mother a delegate.
So question to everybody again. Come on, hear the question and answers. You know, some new people up on the live. Would we as Labour right accept Crawford on this side, or should we tell him to stay with the PNP? They must find a different job.
Yes, we accept him.
I'm not going to have nothing else to do besides probably raise 2 votes. So I'm going to take him. Keisha said, Keisha, but don't know I know you.
No.
Keisha be not say no. Keisha be not say no. But Keisha for come tell me why. All right, so me have 2 now. What else I will say? No, because we want leadership position. I wouldn't say more on a leadership position, but your word. All right, the city of love says yes. Come on, people. Father said,
Amisha, in my better sense than that, man. Amisha, come on, man.
47 people. Let's hear what you guys think. Him really one of the good ones. Him is really one. Him have less dirt for them name as a PNP. We are not that desperate. No, we're not desperate. But if the PNP don't want him, why not? Why not? And I know we are recruit fee, you know. It's them that throw him out. So you don't think it's a good idea? Even on a strategic level, to know inside information and get more dirt on them, you don't think it's a good idea upon that?
Hold on, no. PNP throw out them trash and we are take out them trash. We have a problem. We want to trash here. We want to take up all the trash of PNP throw out, you know. We want to trash here.
We are going to sift through it like the FBI look the evidence.
Ah, you know, so the FBI can tell the most information come out of trash?
Yes.
We want to trash. We take 2 trash already from them. We want one here, the 3rd trash here.
It is not official, you know. It's not official, but based upon the fact that they're trying to remove him from some of the groups, and we know that he's trying to gain leadership over Mark Golding, and I'm going to say there's a battle going on internally within their system that they do not want him to go against Mark Golding. That him probably ever make a decision to just leave because him cannot rule under or work under Mark Golding as far as what me I see. Him not like him decisions and own the politics. So him not want to work with Mark. So we figure say him heart and him mind sound like a Labour right.
Well, remember said Damion he talk it's a Mark Golding ready for election until next year, no?
He did.
So what I tell you say, after a long time Damion I give a hint. And we not take the hint them.
It's best we sit this one out good. You see if it was that next name, in over there where I left, I say, oh, we don't business with that, I garbage that. But Crawford is a very interesting name because he was the one I think was supposed to be leader for the opposition party, not Mark. So therefore, by taking their strongest suit, they don't even know how to put themselves in the weakest form because a Crawford are the best leader they can ever have over there. And if they want to show him out, let's take him because them are weak in their own walls. You see me? So we have used him in the politics, you know. We're not going to have up no feelings. And in the chat, some bag of line at the election time when they're not making speech, but a politics, he had to. A politics. So we forgive him for the things them when say because we don't really see him do nothing damaging to the country or to his people. And so as far as him protecting people, even the people in my PNP, he has protected them and doing what he have to do with them. As we say, a one goat incident, and that's just a joke.
Yeah, a goat incident of a Portland, but
but
we can detour for a little bit. Sure. You think in the future, Lisa will join back the JLP?
You know that one tricky one still, but I don't think so because she gonna look too bad. I think even if she want to, I think now she want to, but can't because of how she might look. She not gonna have nobody not gonna serious in politics if she do that.
Yeah.
She may want to, but she not gonna have no credibility to be any. Nobody not gonna take her serious ever again. So she better should have stay.
Lisa is lazy.
She not have no credibility and no loyalty to the people nor to nobody. So nobody not gonna want her.
Yeah. Mama son a bad girl wanna be. She on the hype up herself. She shot like a White House banana. Everybody can drink water off a fear head. She on the one like she bad.
It's a little bit too true.
Yeah, shot like a White House banana.
I love big people.
And love what a bad girl wanna be. I mean, I look pansy.
But on a level, man, when I play bad mind, and when I have up my heart, and when I carry no feelings, straight politics. If Damon Crawford wants to leave the PNP, I support as a Labour right, and will vote as a Labour right that to take him.
Yeah.
That's just my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
So I understand say Keisha not like that, not at all, but I said, yeah, Keisha.
Yeah, Keisha don't like it at all, Anisha.
So I like it at all, but you have to really tell me why still. You have to give me a good reason why. Well, you can't just say no because you don't like him. Because me think why you don't like him, I truly don't see him as a PNP. You see him as the opposition. You don't see him as a big opposition. They say like, no matter what you're not going to say.
But what you notice too, you see during the election campaigns, you notice how them use him. You notice how them use him on the platform, them fit talk all kind of things and them little thingy there. Because none of them don't have to teach like a Damion.
Yeah, when Damion talking, man, when they make anybody look bad, man. You know, that's debating. He have to go learn to do that and all these things. So that's why him go to school for. He was very nasty during the campaign to Andrew. Yes, he was. I know that you have him up for, you know. I know that you have him up for. I know that you have him up for. But I'm not true. But that politics, he not play them time. He have to play politics.
Cha.
But I say it a while ago. I'm saying we tell some bag of lie in the election time.
Yeah, you said that before for true. So I'm tell a bag of lie.
Yeah, but that politics in that play.
Let me tell you. Boy, them tell some lie for Andrew. Then tell some lie for Andrew. Jesus God. That's why I say I'm afraid he go cross the floor.
Oh, shit.
And then he cross over back within crowd.
Yeah, that's because, Keisha, it was like it was Mark's, it was to me, that's why I never rate what Mark I do. This is why I know. Mark's tragedy for campaign was to tear down Andrew. I never really want to do it, you know, but him said, sure, everybody I work with it, so I'm going to work with it too. And the entire system of campaigning to tear down Andrew, so him just I work with it until him realize, no man, phones just still low, you know, because as we can see, he's a man who really look up and rate Andrew.
Yeah. So that means then if during the campaign, if he did not do what they asked him to do, they would have looked upon him as if him a Judas, a traitor or what. Or
no, sir, that's just politics. I'm not the first person we are cross over. I'm not going to be the last. Thank you. I'm the first person I'm not going to be last. That's why I said, well, that's why one of the reasons why I'm meeting him not really rate Mark's politics, because Mark's politics seems personal, seems more attacking on a person's integrity than
Mark. Yet Andrew, like him have a vendetta against Andrew, and I don't know why.
So in that election time there, he made us follow suit because Mark was the leader and Mark directing people and what to do. Because there was no direction, me think, towards the people for a better Jamaica. Let's show them what Jamaica can be like if we run things. Let's show them what Africa will look like. Let's show them over here. All their campaigning was tear down Andrew. So in the I think specifically that part there, he never told the one and job. And him say, yo, fuck it, man, I'm gonna do it.
Him not just do it. Because Jana said you need people with integrity to join the JLP. They did everything to discredit the Honorable PM. Yeah, as what J Boss Hennessy for true, him then use Damion them use fi try tear down Andrew. Okay, Rose.
Yes. Okay, my battery depend 10%. So I'm gonna be back tomorrow or maybe later on at 6 o'clock. But now I'm gonna go live on